students, in last class we came to know about a person. Who was that person? The person was Pharaoh. How was he? He was a noble person. He was a great person. He was a noble person. And how he was? He had a gained size. He was gained in his size and strength. How he was? He was gained in his size and gained in his strength. And he always wanted to help others. He was always ready to help others in one or another way. And one day what happened? One day where he was sitting, Pharaoh, he was sitting on the bank of a river. How was that river? Yeah, the river was deep and wide. And then Pharaoh saw an old man there, whom Pharaoh did see there on the bank of the river. Pharaoh, he saw an old man standing on the bank of the river. And how he was looking? The old man, how he was looking? The old man, he was looking very sad. And what he was doing? He was standing and looking over the river. Why he was looking over the river? Students, why that old man looking over the river? Yeah, the old man, he wanted to cross that river. But what happened? The current of the water was more. And the width of the river was also more. The river was very deep. And moreover, he didn't know how to swim. Who didn't know swimming? The old man, he didn't know the swimming. So in that case, so he wanted to cross the river, but he didn't know how to swim. And although the current of the river was very fast and the river was very deep, so he was in a worry. The old man, he was in worry. Then who came to old man? Oh yes, Pharaoh, he came to old man and he asked. What he asked? Pharaoh, he asked that old man that if he can help him anything. If he can help him. So then what did that old man do? Okay, the old man, he turned towards Pharaoh and said what was his problem. As we know what was his problem. He wanted to cross the river, but he didn't know swimming, and the current of the river was very more and the river was very deep. So then what happened next? We will come to know in the further part of the lesson. Okay. ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಫೇರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ನೋಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವನ ಸೈಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದ, ಭಾಳ ಎತ್ತರದಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದಿನ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಒಂದು ನದಿಯ ದಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ದಂಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾನ. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನ, ನದಿ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾನ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಹಿ ಸೀಮ್ಡ್ ಹಿ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಹಿ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನ, ಭಾಳ ದುಃಖದಾಗದಾನು. ಹಿ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಒಫೇರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಹಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾನ, ಬಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಿ ಸೇಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಹಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್. ನಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲೇನು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ದಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಹಿ saw him, he looked at him, he looked at ಒಫೇರೋ. ಒಫೇರೋನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಸೊ why he is standing there and why he was sad, he told to the ಒಫೇರೋ. ಒಫೇರೋಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂತ, he wanted to across the river. Who wanted to across the river? The old man, he wanted to across the river. He wanted to across the river. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನದಿಯನ್ನು ದಾಟಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, the water was very deep. How was that water? The water was very deep. ನದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರು ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ, ಭಾಳ ಡೀಪ್ ಐತಿ. And the flow of the current is strong. The flow of the water is, it was also very strong. And moreover he don't ನದಿ ಹರಿವು ಏನೈತಿ, ಹರಿಯಾಕತ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನೈತಿ, ಭಾಳ ಜೋರಾಗ ಹರಿಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ he didn't know how to swim. He didn't know how to swim. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಈಜಾಕೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನದಿ ದಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Oh, is that all? said ಒಫೇರೋ very kindly. I will take you across the river. I am tall and strong, and the water is not too deep for me. Too deep for me. I can walk through it easily. I can walk through it easily. Come and sit on my shoulders. Come and sit on my shoulders. When ಒಫೇರೋ he listened to the problem of that old man, then he kindly, softly, ಒಫೇರೋ kindly told that, oh, it is the problem. He became to know what is the problem of that old man. Then he told him that I will take you across the river. Now he told the old man that he will take him, he would take him to the take him across the river. That ಒಫೇರೋ he wanted to take, he is able to take the old man across the river. So why he got ready? As we know, he was always ready to help one and other in one or another way. So the old man, now he is in trouble, so he wanted to help the old man. For that, ಒಫೇರೋ he said that old man that he will help him. He will help him. And for that, why? Because he was a tall man. He was a tall man. Who was the tall man? ಒಫೇರೋ was a tall man. ಒಫೇರೋ was a tall man. And how he was? He was also strong. He was also strong. As we know before, he had gained strength. Means he had strength. He was strong. So he was a tall and a strong person. And the water was not too deep for him, and the water was not too deep for him. How was the river? The river was deep. But how was this ಒಫೇರೋ? ಒಫೇರೋ was tall and strong because of his his strength, the water it was not too deep for him. So he decided, he told that old man he will take him, he will across him the river. And why? Because he was tall and strong, and the water depth of the water it was not too deep for Pharaoh, and so he can walk through the water easily, because the water was not too deep for him, so he could walk through the water. So and for that he called that old man to climb and sit on his shoulders, So Pharaoh, he was a tall and strong person, and the depth of the water was not too much for him, and he could easily walk through the water. So for that he called that old man, and he said him to sit on his shoulders. He will across him. He will take across him the river. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಒಫೇರೋ ಎತ್ತರವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆದಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಎತ್ತರ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು, ದ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಆಳ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ, ಭಾಳ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಭಾಳ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ the depth of the water is not too much for him means he can walk easily through the river. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಏನು ಎತ್ತರ ಭಾಳ ಅದಾನ, ಆಳ ಭಾಳ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ he told him that he will take him to across the river. ಸೊ ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಭಾಳ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನನ್ನು he told the old man to sit on his shoulders. shoulder ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. And next what happened, Pharaoh bent down on his knees, and the old man climbed on to Pharaoh's big and broad shoulders. Then Pharaoh stepped into the water. Pharaoh stepped into the water. Pharaoh, he told that old man to climb and sit on his shoulders. And how was Pharaoh? Pharaoh was a tall man. How could a old man climb and sit on his shoulder? So for that the Pharaoh, he bent, he leaned, he bent, Pharaoh, he bent and sat on his knees. Pharaoh, he bent in front of that old man and sat on his knee. Monakalu. Knee means monakalu. The portion in between leg, it is called knee. Sit, sat. So Pharaoh, he bent in front of that old man and sat on his knees, and the old man climbed on the Pharaoh's big and broad shoulder. When the Pharaoh, he bent and sat on his knees, the old man, he climbed on the Pharaoh's big and broad shoulders. How his shoulders were? His shoulders were big. His shoulders were big and broad. His shoulders, bhuja ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು? Big and broad. and sat on the shoulders of Pharaoh. Then Pharaoh stepped into the water. Pharaoh, what he did? He started stepping in the water. When the old man, he climbed and sat on the shoulders of Pharaoh. Pharaoh stood up and started to step in the water, started to enter into the water. Step means enter. Started to enter into the water. Why he entered into the water? Because the depth of the river is not too much for him. So for that he can easily walk through the water. So he stepped into the water because he wanted to take the old man across the river. Okay, next. Don't be afraid, said Pharaoh very kindly. Hold on to my head and soon we will be on the other side. And when the old man, he was sitting on the shoulders of Pharaoh, he was getting afraid. So then the Pharaoh, he told him that not to worry, not to afraid. The tone was very kind. The tone of Pharaoh was very kind. And he also told him that hold on his head and soon they will be on the other side. He also told the old man that hold on his head and soon they will be on the other side. Of the river. When the old man, he was afraid, then the Pharaoh, he told him not to afraid and he told him to hold on his head. The old man was sitting on his shoulder and he was afraid. So he told him to hold on his head, to hold his head. And soon they will reach the other side of they will go to other side of the river. And next, with firm steps, Pharaoh walked across the river. Soon they reached the other bank. Pharaoh set the old man safely on the ground. And as Pharaoh said, he was very strong person. He was very strong. And the steps were very firm. The steps of the Pharaoh were very firm, were very strong, very firm in the sense determined, very strong, very firm. And he walked across the river. Pharaoh, he walked across the river. He walked through the river. And soon both of them, they reached the other side of the river. The steps of the Pharaoh the steps of the Pharaoh were very firm and he walked through the river and soon both of the old man and this Pharaoh, they reached other side of the river. And when they reached other side of the river, Pharaoh, he set the old man safely on the ground. Where was that old man sitting? The old man, he was sitting on the shoulders of Pharaoh. And from that those shoulders, Pharaoh he set that old man safely on the ground, on the floor. So ಏನಾಯಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಫೇರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದ, ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಫೇರೋ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೊ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಫೇರೋ ಹಿ ಬೆಂಟ್. ಫೇರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮೊಣಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕೂತಾಗ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್. ಫೇರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಭುಜದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಭುಜ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾವು, ಅಗಲವಾದಂತಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಭುಜ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಕೂಡ್ತಾನೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫೇರೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಫೇರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಳಿತಾನೆ. ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್, ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್. ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಯರ್. ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಫಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಯರ್, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಫ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್. ಅವನು ಹೆದರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಫೇರೋ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್, ಹೆದರಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೂನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿವರ್. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಡವನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ವೇರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೇರೋ? ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೇರೋ ವೇರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫರ್ಮ್. ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೇರೋ ವೇರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನಿಂಗ್. ಒಂದು ದೃಢವಾದಂತಹ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಫೇರೋ ವಾಕ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್. ಫೇರೋ ಹಿ ವಾಕ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೂನ್ ದೇ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿವರ್. ಏನು ಬೇಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೇರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು, ಅಜ್ಜನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇಫ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ we will continue the lesson.